Hey folks, if you're watching this, you probably already know the news. Koala is shutting down September 30th, 2025. That's the official end of life date. Now, for many of you, Koala has been part of your GTM stack. It's helped surface intent, prioritize accounts, maybe even feed your outbound motions with timely signals. And I get it, it's not just about losing a tool, it's about losing a set of workflows that were actually working. Things like Plays, Magic Inbox, Koala Coach, these weren't just features, they became part of how many GTM teams operated on a daily basis. So the question is, what's the best alternative? What platform can help you not just recover what Koala did, but actually move forward with a better foundation? Let me introduce you to Salespanel. Now, this isn't just another we're a replacement. What I want to do is walk you through exactly how Salespanel works and how it maps to and goes beyond what Koala offered. Let's start with what Koala got right. Koala had a very focused philosophy. It monitored web activity, product usage, email clicks, looked for spikes in behavior, and grouped them into what it called plays. From there, reps would get notified in the Magic Inbox, which acted like a real time radar of accounts heating up. Then there was Koala Coach, which used AI to suggest the next move, whether it was to research the account, enrich a contact, or send a personalized message. It was smart, it simplified decision making, and it brought intent into the hands of sales. But under the hood, it had limitations. The tracking was mostly momentary, it didn't give you the entire picture, just bursts of activity. And for many users, the biggest issue was that it felt like a closed box, a few great flows, but not much flexibility beyond them. That's where Salespanel comes in. Salespanel isn't just an intent detection tool. It's a modern customer journey and intent platform built for the entire funnel, from anonymous first touch to qualified pipeline. Here's how it works. It tracks every touch point, not just one session, but the full timeline. Whether someone came in from a Google ad, read your blog post, watched a video, or clicked a link in your email 2 weeks later, Salespanel stitches it all together into one journey. It identifies who the visitor is using first-party tracking, email matching, and integrations with tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Clearbit. So you're not just seeing page views, you're seeing the company, the contact, the channel, and the intent. Then it lets you score leads and accounts based on your own criteria. How long they stayed, what pages they visited, where they came from, what campaign touched them, what they did inside your product. Every detail is usable for qualification. And once someone is qualified, Salespanel can sync that data instantly to your CRM, push them into your LinkedIn ads audience, or even trigger outbound workflows via tools like Zapier or custom webhooks. So everything from they're interested to let's act happens in real time. Now, a lot of people ask, is there something like Koala's Magic Inbox in Salespanel? The answer is not exactly, but it's better. Instead of one inbox that collects all hot accounts, Salespanel gives you dynamic segments. You define your rules like show me mid-sized companies in the US who visited our pricing page at least twice in the past 7 days, and the list updates itself. Then you can score, sort, and route these leads however you want. Salespanel becomes your system of intelligence, not just a stream of alerts. And yes, Salespanel also has an AI layer called Salespanel Agent. While Koala Coach helped with outreach suggestions, Salespanel Agent is like your programmable GTM co-pilot. You tell it how to qualify a lead, how to score it, how to enrich it, what to do when it meets your criteria, and the agent just does it. It can even assign leads to the right reps, push data into Slack or your CRM, and update ad audiences automatically. No guesswork, no delays, no spreadsheets. There's another thing I want to highlight here, especially for those of you concerned about compliance. Salespanel is built on first-party data. Everything is tracked from your own domain using your own scripts with proper cookie consent. So you're ready for a cookieless future and fully aligned with GDPR and global privacy laws. That's not just a bonus, It's the new reality for B2B teams who care about security and data control. So let's recap. Koala was great at what it did, but it had limitations. Salespanel gives you everything Koala offered, plus full journey tracking, deeper segmentation, customizable scoring, AI driven workflows, and future ready compliance. And for those wondering about switching, it's easy. We're already helping Koala users migrate. You get personalized onboarding, mapped workflows, and direct support to make the transition smooth. Koala may be shutting down, but your GTM engine doesn't have to. Sales Panel is here and it's ready to power your next phase. If you're interested in seeing how it works in your exact setup, just go to salespanel.io and book a demo or sign up for a free trial and explore on your own. Thanks for tuning in.